Official WhatsApp bot. You need official WhatsApp bot if you want to reduce your manpower, if you want to cross-sell or upsell your products to your clients, if you want to keep your clients engaged and informed, if you want only qualified leads reach you and you save time. Sabhi Digital has brought WhatsApp bot for everyone. Until today, only big companies were working on automations using WhatsApp bot, but now with our bot, you can also use the automation features of WhatsApp. Is WhatsApp bot needed for your business? Let's find out. You are getting leads, but the same question needs to be asked repeatedly and many times the lead do not qualify. So WhatsApp bot can help you here. You can make your leads land to WhatsApp chatbot. Bot strategically asks the question to qualify the lead. Only once the lead is qualified, you get the call or the prospect can book the appointment. All your employees use different numbers. Any one of the employees not available, the customer query doesn't get resolved. Now, with our WhatsApp chatbot, you are getting 5 agents. 5 agents can transfer the leads to one another. The consumer is chatting with same number and agents get changed. Are you tired of answering same question again and again? Set a FAQ bot for people to know more about your products and services. After going through FAQ, lead conversion will be faster. Users get warmed up, educated with the help of set of questions and answers and save a lot of manpower involved in answering calls. This also ensures that you get only quality leads. Answering queries of customers about the shipment, invoice, payment receipts, etc. Users can be informed in steps from when they ordered the product to its journey. It makes the user connected to the process. He feels in charge of things. It all can be done using automations through API. Post-sale support is taking a lot of time and most are similar queries. If you want to get information about warranty and repair without human intervention, you can set a system on WhatsApp so that a person can raise his queries through WhatsApp and a bot can answer the basic similar queries, and only if the query is not getting resolved by bot can be transferred to an agent. Your customers don't know about your current offers and you need to spend a lot of money to reach them via ads. So here WhatsApp can help you by sending those customers a template based promotional messages, and when they receive the message they got to know about your products and these are already your customers, so it is much easier to cross sell or resell to them. So these were a few of the user case scenarios where you need WhatsApp for your business. Now I will let you know about types of messages. So there are two types of messages. One is session message and one is template or notification message. So when you are connecting with your customer for the first time after 24 hours or for first time, then it has to be template message only, and template has to be approved from Facebook. So this template message is charged, and every time you are sending a message which is template message, it is going to be charged for the first time. Once a user replies to that template message, the further messages become session messages, and for 24 hours all the messages are then session messages, and session messages are free. There are a lot of features of the system which we are providing. It has quick broadcast, it has session reminders to continue user sessions, maintain customers and tag them inside your dashboard, so you can specifically send messages to those people who are tagged. So if you want to send a few people messages, then you can send according to tag. Then there is auto reply system. So it is keyword based auto reply. So if someone is sending some particular keyword, you can auto reply them according to what you have set. There are API and webhooks for automations, and there is a team inbox where your team can chat with the customer, and there are many integrations with many apps. Let me take you through a tour of our WhatsApp. It Here is the dashboard where you will find your number of accounts, wallet balance, etc. Here you can find about your WhatsApp numbers, channels, etc. By managing support person, you can add your team to this place, and you can set privileges, and according to that they will have authority to do certain things only. From manage customers, you can add or delete customers, change their tagging, change their information. You can also import and export in bulk. Broadcast is of two types. One is template based messages broadcast, and another is session based messages broadcast. So session based messages broadcast will work only who have session currently on, and template based messages can be sent to anyone. In both type of messages, you can select people based on tag, without tag, all customers and everything, and you can select them what to message. Auto reply. In auto reply, you can set some conditions according to which you can auto reply messages to the person who has sent some message. So if someone has sent hi, so you can send the reply, hi, how can I help you, and send button messages about your services. So once they choose any button, again you can do some action when they choose any button. Whatever message is coming on your WhatsApp, you can send them to a webhook. So that is manage webhook. But when you are managing automations, so all the things which you want to do from a webhook, you can then so if someone has submitted a form, so that information you can get on this webhook, and then you can do automations like you can send him a message, wait for 2 days, send another message, then wait for some days, and like that. So these type of automations you can do. So another type of automation can be, you can send a person who has filled the form a message, and your team another message. So this can also be done. This is a chat inbox where you will have lots of features of chatting with the person who has sent you message. So if your messages are under session messages, it will allow you to chat, and there are lot of features like tagging and changing, adding more information about the user, and filtering people by tags, filtering only unread messages, and many more features which are available over here. You can also add quick replies, so your user agents can quickly reply to messages. So to start your WhatsApp, you need a number which is not already on WhatsApp. If you are using a same old number, you will have to delete it from WhatsApp. Once deleted, you can set it up for WhatsApp API. Business verification from Facebook is needed to get full sending support. Thank you. You can get in touch with me on 9610 238 238.